We're now learning more about a scout leader accused of criminal sexual conduct, and now the sheriff and a parent are speaking out.
It's an absolute betrayal. Yeah, it's at the highest level. That's one of the biggest problems with it. And the parents trust the people.
For parent Hugh Coogan, whose child was once in Boy Scouts of America, learning of felony criminal sexual conduct charges against John Sorovetz, who worked as an assistant scout master, has been difficult to process. According to the Monroe County Sheriff, Sorovetz accused of committing the criminal acts against a minor, and the offenses date back years, including some after official scout events at a variety of locations. Earlier, I received a statement from James Mikowski, Sorovetz attorney, saying, quote, "I urge people to withhold opinions until the facts are revealed. Mr. Sorovetz has cooperated throughout every step of the investigation, including passing 2 polygraph examinations. The complainants are motivated by greed. Mr. Sorovetz has already filed a countersuit demanding compensation for damages he has suffered from this ordeal. John looks forward to addressing these accusations in court." I also asked the sheriff to explain his view of the case.
Anybody that violates children is that's heart-wrenching, especially in that setting. He's a person of trust. And when you hear this, it's just heart-wrenching.
The sheriff says he faces 1 count of accosting a minor for immoral purposes and 4 counts of criminal sexual conduct involving minor victims. Detectives say they believe more victims could be out there, and in the meantime, Sorovetz remains free on bond. Separately, attorney David Champagne of the Flood Law Firm has filed a civil lawsuit on behalf of one teen. Champagne says his client's family alleges Sorovetz attempted to have inappropriate conversations with a child and introduce pornography targeting a child who was mourning the loss of a parent. The attorney also adding they have a second civil case, but criminal charges have not been filed there.
Fortunately, his mother did what she had to do, reported it to law enforcement, and put a stop to it right then and there.
I've also reached out to Boy Scouts of America for a response, and am waiting to hear back. The sheriff says anyone who has additional information in this case should come forward right away. From Monroe County, Simon Shakette, 7 News Detroit.